Good morning, everyone. So, the continuation of this topic about the science basic process skills. So, this is the continuation of the 6 basic process skills. So, the next is the measuring. So, is a fundamental science process skills that involves quantifying the characteristics of an object or even using standard or non-standard units. So, it involves the comparison, which is measuring involves comparing an object or event to a standard unit or reference point. Then it uses tools and instruments. Using often requires using tools like rulers, thermometers, or balances to obtain accurate readings. Then it expresses the quantities measuring. So expresses quantity. So measuring assigns a numerical value to a characteristic like length, mass, or temperature. So example of that is measuring the length of a leaf using a ruler. So example is that when you measure it, it measures 10 centimeters. So that is example of the measuring. So next example is recording the temperature of a liquid using a temperature, which is the result is 25 degrees Celsius or Celsius, So that's an example of the measuring. After measuring, let's move on to predicting. Predicting is a science process skills that involves using prior knowledge, patterns, and evidence to forecast what will happen next or in a given situation. So it involves making educated guesses. So that is predictions are based on the data, trends, or logical reasoning. So then it uses patterns and relationships, which is predictions often rely on identifying patterns in data or relationship between variables. Then can be tested. The predictions can be checked against actual outcomes or further observations. So example of that is predicting the weather based on cloud patterns and wind direction. Then which is imong i-predict ang weather based sa cloud patterns and wind directions. So muna siya ang example number 1. Then next is forecasting the outcome of a chemical reaction based on reactants and conditions. So which is imong i-forecast the outcome of a chemical reaction based on the reactants and their conditions. So mao na ang example sa number 2. So the last one after the predicting, the last one is inferring, correct? So inferring is a science process skills that involves drawing logical conclusions or making educated guesses based on evidence and observations. So goes beyond direct observation, which inferring involves interpreting data or evidence to figure out something not directly stated. Then uses evidence to explain. Then can lead to further investigation, which is interference often spark questions or hypotheses for further exploration. So the example of inferring is observing that plants in shade grow less than those in sunlight. Then infer that sunlight affects plant growth. So mo na siya. Atong i-observe ang plants in shade grow less than those on sunlight. Then infer that sunlight affects plants growth. So atong pangitaon ug unsay nakakuan kanang unsay ilang kalahian. Then seeing animal tracks in the mud. Then interfere an animal pass through the area. That's all the 3 basic process skills in science. So moto siya ang tulo nga continuation sa the last kuan nga gi-report ni Jean, which is ang katong na dito ang tulo nga naguna. So kani siya is continuation na lang. So Understand ra ba? Okay, thank you. That's all.